welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how I pack my stuff when I travel. This coming Friday, we're going back to Manila to spend some time with our family and to attend the wedding of my best friend and to do some paperwork and some stuff that we need to do back in Manila. So I will be sharing to you how I organize my clothes, toiletries, makeups, accessories or gadgets that we usually bring whenever we go back to Manila or whenever we travel. Let's get started. But first, I need to drink my apple juice because you need to. Nice. You need to be hydrated all the time. But first, I always have a travel bag organizer because it helps my clothes to stay in one place and, you know, make it kind of like clean. So I have a few sizes of this. I have this size, which is like a medium size, and I also have a bigger one for those bigger clothes. And I also have this. This is for CJ. I don't use all of them. For the small sizes, of course, as you can see, this is already filled up. So this is the private clothes. I will not share what's inside of this, okay? I hope you understand. So yeah, this is the first one. Let me put it here. And this is for the bigger clothes. So these are all my clothes and private clothes, and we'll pack CJ's clothes. As you can see, it's very organized. So in total, we have 3 travel organizer bags inside of our suitcase for our clothes. So yeah, these are all this. So put it this way. So the next stuff is makeups. So I have this bag, a makeup bag. I got this from Sephora online. So I put all of my makeups here. You can see it's a full bag of makeups, and I also put all of the brushes inside. I don't have the brushes yet because I showered them last night and it's still wet. So yeah, these are all the makeups. Why I have a lot of makeups? Because I will be attending a wedding, so I will do my makeup myself. So there's another bag, and I have another bag for toiletries. So this is how it looks like. I transfer all of our shampoos, conditioner, and some travel sizes for our toiletries. And I bought this bag in Lazada. It costs around like less than $10. After I travel, I just opened it like this and it's ready to use. And when I go back again, I just put it like this and then close. Let's go. So this is our toiletries. And this little bag is my skincare. I always have a travel sizes, and I make sure that I transfer some skincare that I don't have travel sizes in a small package. So it's here, if you can see. Yes. Oops. It's quite a lot. It looks a lot because it's in a small packaging. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a detailed review of our toiletries, clothes, or even my skincare and the gadget bags. Yeah, another bag. And I also have a small travel jewelry box. I got this from CJ together with the jewelry. So I put all of my jewelry inside. my earrings and necklaces. Yeah. So I won't lose them. I always have this. This is from Pandora. It's so cute. And what else? Of course, sunglasses. You always need to have a sunglasses. We only have one each. Because I always wear my eyeglasses, so I usually ended up not wearing those. Now we will put all of these stuff in my suitcase. These are all the stuff that we'll put in our luggage. Yeah, except for this, because this is jewelry. Which is our suitcase. One of the suitcases. And this is, what's this? It's American Tourister. Yeah, we have this luggage since like 2-3 years already. So yeah, we put a lot of stickers whenever we go travel somewhere. And we have this belt with key so that it's secure. Yeah. It's big! So now, it's time to put all of those stuff inside of this luggage. So this is the luggage. We have this belt with a lock. It's a double protection. Okay. So I changed the camera so that you can see the whole thing. Has a lot of space. I think this luggage is the large size. No, this is the medium size of this line. Yeah, so this is how it looks like inside. I will start to put the bigger size of the clothes. And I will store that tripod in here and other stuff like chocolates or any other stuff that I will bring back in Manila. Basically, these are all the stuff that we bring whenever we go back to Manila. So whenever we travel, actually just need one luggage to check in. But this one will always weigh around 20 to 25 kg. We're good to go. Now, let's look what's inside of our gadget bag. Before going that, I also have a small mesh bag like this to store all the chargers, different chargers, an adapter like this because we have a UK slot, so we need to have a double pin for in the Philippines. So we have a couple of adapters. You can see here, and of course this brick that has 4 slots of USB. So cute. We got this from Challenger 2 years ago. Yeah, it's around I think $40. It comes with a different adapter as well. So yeah, so that's all of our charger pouch. And this guy will also go into the suitcase. So let's go into the gadget bag. This is the gadget bag. He is a good boy, you know. He always protects our gadgets. So this is the bag. You can't see me. So this is the bag. It's the Pro Tactic bag that CJ loves. So you have a lot of pouches. On this side, you have a small pouch for your water bottle or for your tripod. You can store it, and you have a small a pocket and an easy access to your gear, and another small pouch on the other side, and also a belt kind of, and a tripod, a tripod pouch as well. And yeah, let's open this big guy. So if you want to access all of your camera gear, you need to lay it down like this and open it at the back. Shadon! Yeah, you can't see it. So let me put it aside. So here are those gadget bag. So yeah, we have a few cables here as well, the chargers from cameras. All the power brick are in the suitcase, and all the cables are here inside at the top. Yeah. And we have our, of course, drone, battery, 360 camera, action cam, accessories, straps, and small tripods, and filter lenses, power bank, of course. We have a few because we need this whenever we travel, and a gift for my burger. And what else? A few lens. This is the wide lens, a zoom lens, and where we put our camera, which is I'm using right now 2 of them. And yeah, and of course a hard disk. You need to have a hard disk, you know. Yeah, basically that's it. And of course a memory cards that is stored here. So basically that's all what we bring in this gadget bag. We usually bring a lot, but ended up not using all of them. But you need to be prepared at all times, especially if you want to capture those moments that, you know, very unexpected one. So yeah, this one CJ will carry it, hand carry. Okay, so let's go to another 2 bags. This is the bigger one. Let's put it aside. And another one is this guy. It's a laptop bag. So it's kind of like a hard case. So basically this is only for our laptop. See, it's just simple. This is the laptop, and here are the accessories. Why we have a separate laptop bag? Because whenever we put the laptop in the other bag, the LCD is having a problem. It's like the bag is crushing the laptop, so we don't want to experience that anymore. Even though our laptop has warranty, but it's better to prevent it, right? So that there will be no hassle. So this is the other bag, and we have a smaller gear bag to be able to bring all those stuff that we only need for a day. So this is just a simple open bag like this. See, you can put camera and your drone and some power bank or extra battery. That's it. So that we don't need to bring this big bag every day. So we only bring this. And what else? Yeah, the last one. Of course, my pouch. I need to have, you know, my lady bag to put my wallet and passport and other stuff. Yeah. Okay. So that's all we usually pack when we travel. And one more thing I forgot. I have to bring back some bulky stuff. Oh, it's heavy! So this is the bulky stuff that we will be bringing back in Manila. Basically, this is like bed sheets, curtain for our condo. If you are familiar, this is the Vago. We bought this tiny gadget to pack the bulky items. So basically, you just need to open this in the middle and then plug in this and plug into the power cord, and it will shrink these bulky items. So you can store this in your luggage without a hassle. So yeah, this is also another trick for your bulky items. That is quite a lot. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want to have a detailed review of all this stuff, especially the gear bag. Anything, just let me know down below, okay? That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. Bye! See you in my next video.